Ow, mama. Mama joint. Hello, Mamiolas. Mama Sita. My woman. Do you remember that song? My woman. It's a Nigerian song. My woman. But listen, I was saying, there is a Lokuzana. We must finish things now. Hey, that's not fun. I mean, you think you ate, huh? And the stove wasn't even on. The stove, Zuribo. Yeah, Zuribo. I know Pelashona. Tiripo. Zwakanaka. Huh? You understand? Yeah, Zwakanaka. Tiripo. Yes. I think you mean, and you can't. I'm sorry, Baba. I'm sorry, Baba. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry, Baba. I'm waiting. I don't have a wig. It's because. Should I speak the truth? Ashley, you don't wear wigs at all. The last time you wore a wig was that one with a Vegeta here. You said you are no more wearing wigs. So why are you lying to the people? And there's people who wanted to give you wigs. You said no. People from Tepe, they wanted to sponsor you with wigs. You said no. You don't want wigs. Huh? Yeah. You said you don't wear wigs. The last time you wore a wig, it was the blonde, brownish one with the Vegeta here. They gave you a like was hairline. Aye, that's Ashley. They made you this thing here. It was starting here. It was starting here, straight here. It's cool. You're already in Devon, so I'm gonna come with the person. If you can just direct me to the person, I'm gonna go fetch and pay the 3,000, and maybe with labor, and also which is I'm trying like she's doing Ashley Vegeta Ogul, Briley. So we are just in jail. If you are happy, I'm happy. Mama, if you are happy, I'm happy. And I saw what you were happy when you done that week. So I can't let you know suffer whereas the guy is still alive or the person is still alive. You understand? So let's rather fetch. If there's another phone else, I can show you that picture. I really love that picture. And Ashley is smiling. You can see what she's happy. Like she's been wanting this for long. But again, guys, this Devon July is gonna be too much. She's gonna be dripping with the Vegeta way. She's gonna be nice, and I'm gonna be nice. So don't forget to follow Sudlax, and Dove. No, I stopped, Mama. I stopped. So let's go follow Dove again. You see the thing that